so tired. I woke up at 9. Usually I'll be waking up around 10 or 11, but because today actually these few days I've been super busy, and obviously today I'm doing this video, so obviously I'm gonna be doing more things than usual, because taking video while you're doing something is not really that easy. Like, you have one extra step to do before you do everything. And also, it has been going on for the past few days that I have been working on the mask that my customer kind of orders. So I have about 9 more to sew, and I'm going crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna work on it later after I am done with my breakfast. And look, I just had the eyelash extension yesterday. Now I'm just putting on moisturizer. And now makeup primer, because I'm gonna be putting on some little makeup. I usually don't do that when I'm at home, but because I'm making videos today and I wanted to look a little bit more presentable, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with putting on a little foundation under my eyes. I'm using the Dior Backstage foundation. This is so far one of the best liquid foundation I've tried, because it's so lightweight that you don't really feel anything when you wear them. Okay, so now we're just gonna move on to brows. This brow pomade from ABH actually lasted me for about, I think, 2 years now, and I still have this much. Yeah, it lasted me so long, especially now that everybody's on quarantine, right? You hardly go out and meet people, therefore you hardly use any makeup. My eyeliner actually lasted me for about 3 months now, and my makeup primer as well. I'm surprised considering how I used to use makeup every day to school. To me, I think brows are the most important step, because it actually frames your face, you know. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, now let's move on to eyeshadow. I have 3 palettes to choose from right now, and I left the rest of my favorite palettes in KL where I study. I'm back in my hometown now at Malacca. My favorite palette is actually Soft Blend palette, but I have no idea why I left it there, and I've not been using it for 3 months. I think I'm just gonna simply pop on some contour on the nose, because you know, I have some really flat nose. It's so flat that it doesn't have nose bridge. Look, I can do this with my nose. I think for the final step, it's gonna be lipstick. So now let us move on to the hair. Okay guys, so now I'm done with my hair, and I have gotta go down and eat some breakfast, because after breakfast I'm gonna be doing a lot of things later, and today is gonna be a busy day, that's for sure. And just in case you guys are wondering why I'm trapping my bunny in the toilet, it's because my mom didn't like him, and my mom asked me to put him in here until I'm back to my apartment in KL. Then I can, yeah, just let him roam free.
같이까지 없었으면 무조건 빼앗을 수 유일하게 남자 있었던 거니까. 그 스토커가 그다음.
Alright guys, I am now in the guest room. I'm gonna work on the mask that I still owe to my customers. So I have about 9 masks to do, but I think I'm just gonna do 5 today because I have other things to do as well. And this is where I usually work with the sewing machine over there. So we better start working now. Okay, so I am done with the masks, and I made one for myself. Alright, so for the past few weeks, I have removed my nails. Like, I was using poly gel back then, and then it ruined and peeled off my nail bed. And now that I have let it rest for a few weeks, I actually want to spice it up with just a simple touch of builder gel at the top. For this update, guys, I have done one side of my nails and the other side wasn't nearly done, and the electricity at my house just went off, so we have to wait. At the end of the day, I decided not to waste any more time. I just went in and did my assignments. So let's draw. Okay, before that, let me explain what I'm actually drawing. I am drawing a line of garment for my final collection for the fashion show of my diploma program, but because we can't be going back to school anytime soon, so we are just working with our fashion design sketches. That's the most we can do. So after all, I'm just hoping for the best since we are already going back to school soon. We are allowed to start our class on the 1st of July. Yeah, I'm just really hoping for the best. So the electric's back. Okay, so now I'm gonna continue doing my nails. It's 6:17 right now, so wow, the whole day has passed so fast and I did not do a lot of things that I should. Okay, so now continue doing my nails. I'm left with 4 more here. So after I'm done with my nails, I gotta get to bake my pet's treats, which is rabbit's treats. I'm baking dried apple, so we're gonna start off by cutting some apples, obviously. Okay, so some of them are nice and no, this is not. These are still really juicy, I can tell, because it's not as curled up as the rest. So we might need to put it back in the oven for a few more minutes. Hey, so Mocha's treat is done. Okay guys, so I'm done for today. As you can see, I'm up in my bun, which means I'm ready to go shower. Hope I did give you some ideas on what to do during quarantine. Once again, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!